1989 GEO tracker, 4-cylinder stick shift. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got the regular stock downpipes. Then we put a high-flow cat, mid-pipe, squirrely muffler, squirrely performance parts. There's the part number right there. And there's it is again right there. SPP. They should put a squirrel on this thing. Anyways, it's a squirrely. It's basically like a vibrant, ultra quiet. You didn't want it too loud. You wanted just a little bit of nice, deep, clean tone. Then 2 1/4 pipe and out the side with a staggered tip right there. Came out nice, really clean, rolled. Check it out. I like it. It's different. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And again, squirrely GEO tracker, 1989. That sounds good. Stick shift too. What do you guys think of this out? I like it. Squirrely muffler. You like it? She didn't want it too loud. That's why I picked that one for her. Again? Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. It's got a nice little pop to it.
Yeah, it does.
And this will get in about 10-20% louder after it breaks in about 30 days. Tracker with side exhaust. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Again, let you guys hear on the inside. Go guys, GEO tracker. With a squirrely muffler, high flow cat. Hey. That's awesome. Enjoy guys. You saw how quiet it is. There's the S10. Go, go. Got an S10 second drive off with an exhaust cut out on it.